In hydraulics, power is never just pressure. It is control. It is timing. It is the confidence that every movement happens exactly when it should. At Jiuding Hydraulics, that confidence starts here, inside a real factory, with real people, real machines, and discipline built into every step. From customer requirements to technical confirmation, from machining to assembly, from inspection to stock preparation, we focus on the details that keep hydraulic systems running. Pressure control, directional control, modular valves, solenoid valves, pilot-operated solutions, multi-way valves, gear pumps, electro-hydraulic proportional control. Behind every product is a simple standard. Make it accurate. Make it stable. Make it ready for work. For OEMs, distributors, repair teams, and hydraulic system builders, we know one thing. A hydraulic component may be small in size, but its responsibility is never small. This is Guangdong Jiuding Hydraulics, built from the factory floor, driven by precision, made for machines that cannot afford uncertainty. Jiuding Hydraulics, reliable control from China to the world.